Stop. Before you download DaVinci Resolve from a random website, watch this video first. Many people end up downloading the wrong file, getting outdated versions, or facing installation errors. In this video, I'll show you the official and safest way to download and install DaVinci Resolve 2.0.3.3 on your Windows PC. The entire process takes just a few minutes, and by the end of this video, you'll have one of the most powerful video editing software packages running on your computer. Let's get started. Hey everyone, welcome back to Future Geeks. If you're interested in technology, AI tools, video editing, cybersecurity, and future-ready skills, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest tutorials. Now let's download DaVinci Resolve 2.0.3.3. Step 1. Open the official website first. Open your browser. In the search bar, type Blackmagic Design DaVinci Resolve. Open the official Blackmagic Design website. Once the website loads, click on the support section. This page contains all official software downloads provided directly by Blackmagic Design. Step 2. Find DaVinci Resolve 2.0.3.3. Now scroll down until you find DaVinci Resolve 2.0.3.3. Here you'll notice two versions. DaVinci Resolve. Free version DaVinci Resolve Studio. Paid version if you're a beginner, student, YouTuber, or content creator. The free version is more than enough and includes professional editing, color grading, visual effects, and audio tools. Click on the free version. Step 3. Select your operating system. A new window will appear. Choose your operating system. Windows, Mac OS, Linux. Since I'm using Windows, I'll select the Windows version. Step 4. Complete the registration form. Now you'll see a registration form. Simply enter your details. First name, last name, email, address, country, city. After filling in the information, click on Register and Download. The download will start automatically. Step 5. Download the file. As you can see, DaVinci Resolve 2.0.3.3 is downloading successfully. The file size is approximately 2.8 gigabytes, and it comes as a zip file. Depending on your internet speed, the download may take a few minutes to complete. So wait until the file is fully downloaded. Step 6. Extract the zip file. Once the download is complete, go to your Downloads folder. Locate the downloaded zip file. Right-click on the zip file and select Extract All. Choose your preferred location and click Extract. Now wait for the extraction process to finish. Step 7. Install DaVinci Resolve. After extraction, open the extracted folder. Inside you'll find the DaVinci Resolve installer. Double-click the installer. Now follow the installation wizard. Click Next. Accept the terms and conditions. Keep the default settings unless you want to change the installation location. Click Install. The installation process may take a few minutes. Step 8. First launch. Once installation is complete, launch DaVinci Resolve. The first startup may take slightly longer because the software is configuring itself for your system. After a few moments, you'll see the Project Manager screen. Click New Project, enter a project name, and that's it. DaVinci Resolve is now successfully installed on your computer. DaVinci Resolve is one of the most powerful editing software available today. It combines professional video editing, advanced color grading, visual effects with Fusion professional audio editing, high quality rendering, all inside a single application. And the best part is that the free version is incredibly powerful. And that's how you can download and install DaVinci Resolve 2.0.3.3 on your Windows PC. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Future Geeks. Also comment below and let me know what kind of videos you're planning to edit with DaVinci Resolve. Thank you for watching. I'm John, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep learning, keep creating, and stay with Future Geeks.